There's a familiar feeling many homes have. The furniture is there, the decor is thoughtful, the space is clean. And yet something feels unfinished. Not wrong, not cluttered, just incomplete. Today we're talking about what actually makes a home feel complete. Not through trends, shopping lists, or perfection, but through a few foundational pieces that quietly bring everything together. These are the pieces that support daily life, that create balance, and that allows a home to feel calm, intentional, and settled. If your home feels close, but not quite there, this video will help you understand why. Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. What complete really means. A complete home isn't about having more, it's about having enough and nothing unnecessary. When a home feels complete, movement feels natural, rooms feel balanced, nothing feels temporary. Completeness comes from alignment between furniture scale, function, emotional comfort, and when these elements work together, the home feels finished, even if it's simple. The anchor pieces. Every complete room begins with an anchor. This is the piece that defines the space, like a sofa, a bed, a dining table. Scale, layout, and visual weight. When an anchor piece is too small or poorly placed, the entire room feels unsettled. A complete room has an anchor that looks confident, as if it belongs there naturally. A room with only one seating option rarely feels finished. Supporting seating adds balance, comfort, flexibility. This could be an armchair, a bench, a pair of side chairs. Even in homes with one occupant, multiple seating options makes a room feel welcoming. The connecting surfaces, like coffee tables, console tables, sideboards. These surfaces connect people to the room. Without them, seating feels disconnected, rooms feel incomplete, layouts feel awkward. A complete room always has a surface that allows daily life to land gracefully. A properly scaled rug. Rugs do more than decorate. They anchor furniture, absorb sound, visually define a space or a piece of furniture. Rooms without rugs often feel echoey or unfinished. The key here is scale. A complete room uses a rug that connects the furniture, not one that floats beneath it. Completeness requires order. A quiet storage piece might be a cabinet, a credenza, a bookcase. This piece gives the room permanence, allows clutter to disappear, and adds visual weight. Rooms without storage often feel unfinished because everyday life has nowhere to go. Small supporting tables. Side tables and bedside tables are often overlooked, but they're essential. They allow for comfort, ease, and lingering. home feels complete when every seat has a place nearby for daily essentials. This is where function becomes quiet luxury. Every room needs one final piece, the one that signals completion. This might be an ottoman, a bench, a writing desk, a console along the wall. It's rarely essential, but it's transformative. When it's added, the room suddenly feels done. Completeness is not about filling every corner. Negative space allows the eye to rest, furniture to feel intentional, and the room to breathe. A complete home always leaves space on purpose. Many homes feel unfinished because they're trying too hard. When excess is removed, what remains feels stronger. Rooms feel calmer. Decisions feel easier. A complete home is edited, not empty. A home feels complete when it supports you. A home feels complete when it supports who you are, not who you're trying to impress. It's not about perfection, it's about intention. When the right pieces are in place, your home feels calm, your space feels settled, everyday life feels lighter. And that is what makes a home truly complete. I believe every home needs personal treasures to feel complete. Maybe it's your grandmother's china, even if the pattern is no longer in style. What makes it a treasure isn't the design, but the love it held, the meals she served, the care she poured into her family, and the memories gathered around it. For your home to feel complete, it has to include all the things that you and your family loves. It has to be around you, so you wake up and you feel this is our home. This is our story, and this is how we tell it. This week's The Joy of Decorating shout out goes to Lisa Arrington. She writes, I sat down with a cup, pressed play, and heard your voice. I jumped and stopped the video so I could concentrate because I didn't want to miss anything. Laugh out loud. My gosh, lady, I love your videos. Lisa Arrington, thank you so much for leaving such a great comment. It's people like you that are going to make this channel grow. I appreciate every click, comment, and subscribe that you guys do. It's us, our little community. Together we can make this channel grow. Happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.